What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, welcome back to the vlog, and welcome back to another informational series on the detailing products that we use here at the Blackout Tinting Miami location. What we're going to be talking about today is window tint. Let's jump right into it. All right, guys, so this is one of the things you will not have happen at our shop. That is the adhesive failing on the back of the window tint on that car. I see that a lot here in Florida because of the heat and the poor quality of adhesive. If you come to the Blackout Tinting Miami shop, that is not going to happen. And just walking back out, we come across another one. So a totally separate car with the exact same issue. Like I said, there's a lot of it happening down here. And this time, guys, we were walking into Home Depot and we have another failing tint job there. So like I said, you're gonna hear this a bunch in this video, but this is seen a lot down here because of the temperatures. And we're gonna talk about why this matters in a little bit, so stick with me. And here's another one, guys. We're sitting here waiting to make a turn, and we got another one, failing window tint there. So like I said, we're gonna talk about this in a second, but there is a lot of examples of this down here. And of course, guys, it's not Florida until you see one of these guys. What's his name, Iggy?
Iggy.
Iggy Pop. Let's see how close we can get to him before he attacks. That's pretty close. 20 bucks to pet him, Patrick.
What's up, bro?
Pet him.
He's quick.
We ain't gonna hurt you, buddy.
All right.
Oh, look at him go. He's out. Oh, man, he's pretty quick.
He's quick.
All right, so here's another one. It's not horrible, but it's getting there. You can see on the froster line going up and down. It's starting to bubble up already. Odds are good he's had that applied probably not that long ago either. The summer heat down here just totally destroys it seems. Unless you have some good tint. We'll talk about it in a second. And another one, guys. Pretty bad on that one. And another one. This one's a little harder to see because it's kind of lighter tint, but it's happening. And then over here, right beside us, that one's a little easier to see. It's happening on that one too. Yeah, like I said, it's pretty much everywhere down here. All right, guys, so I've showed you a bunch of examples of bad tint, and now we're gonna talk about why I did all that. So all of those examples came over the period of about a day worth of driving around Home Depots and Walmarts and stuff to get this shop set up. Now, the reason I was doing that is because here in Florida, you can go to pretty much any gas station and get window tint installed. The problem with that is you're not getting very good window tint. So you can go there, you can get the tint installed for something like $100. It's a really good price, it sounds like a really good deal, and it looks good for 2 or 3 weeks. Once the sun from Florida starts baking that tint, the adhesive almost immediately fails, and then you're left with what you were seeing there, which is gonna be a bunch of what looks like bubbles in the back of the window tint. Some of the side windows I've seen doing the same thing. And I asked Josh whenever I first got down here, I said, what's causing that? Because I've seen it happen before in Pennsylvania, but I see it a lot in Florida. And he told me it was adhesive failure. And I said, okay, what do you do to avoid that? And he said, use better tint. So basically the reason I'm talking about all this stuff is because the XPEL tint that we are going to be using here in the shop and the XPEL tint that Josh uses in his other shops in Pennsylvania is, of course, that better tint. Now, obviously, you will pay a little bit more for it, but it comes with a warranty. It comes with all the protection you're going to need to make sure that that same thing never happens to your car. So what we're going to do now, I'm going to turn this over to Josh and let him kind of explain what the differences are between these tints, why there is a difference, and how you can go about getting the better tint on your car as well. All right, Josh, so tell us the difference between some of the tint jobs we've been seeing down here and the tint that we use in this shop, as well as your other shops in Pennsylvania.
Absolutely. So what you're seeing there is adhesive failure, which I know you mentioned. And what that means is the UV rays are baking that adhesive, because you got to think, as the sun is coming in the window, the first thing it's hitting is the adhesive. Then it's making its way to the actual film on the other side of the adhesive. So a lot of manufacturers don't have a good UV inhibitor built into that adhesive. A lot of great manufacturers do. There's a lot of brands on the market that do. XPEL is definitely one of those. And that allows the UV to not penetrate the adhesive or the tint, so it won't turn it purple. You won't get those bubbles and lifting and all that kind of stuff. So that's why we've made a decision to use a good quality film Especially down here in the South Florida market, there are a ton of people tinting literally on the corners of the street in gas stations. $99 to tint your car, $95, whatever it might be. That's great, but the material that they're using is garbage. It probably costs them $3 in material to tint your entire car. They're using something from overseas that no quality control, no warranty. We have a lifetime warranty through XPEL. It's a transferable lifetime warranty, so if you sell the car, you can actually transfer that warranty to the new owner as well. There's a nationwide network of installers, and you can find all of those installers very easily. So if you ever have any problem, if you move away, whatever, it doesn't matter. XPEL's got your back. We've got your back on the installation side. If we install something for you, it doesn't dry properly, or there's something you don't like about it, call us back, any of our locations, 100% satisfaction guarantee on your tint job. We'll redo it until it's perfect.
Awesome. Thanks, Josh.
Got it.
All right, guys. So like he said there, basically, you are going to get the warranty of the tint, and it is a lifetime warranty. So if something like that were to happen to your install, it's going to be taken care of. Now, the odds of that happening are very slim. I've used the XPEL tint myself on my C8 Corvette, my C7 Corvette, my Colorado, my wife's Cadillac. All of them have the same tint, and I have never seen anything like this. This is why I asked Josh initially what was causing that, because it's new to me. I've never seen anything like this. Now, you guys can rest assured though, if you come here and get some sort of tint on your car or any of the businesses in even Pennsylvania, you're gonna get the highest quality XPEL tint that is not gonna have a problem like this. And if some crazy reason it ever did, it will be totally covered under warranty. So that's why I wanted to make this video, guys. I wanted to make sure that you guys are in the know, you understand what's happening with this tint, why it's important to get a high quality one versus just one at a corner gas station or something like that. Hopefully this helped you out. If it did, please smash that thumbs up button. Let me know you're enjoying the content so we can continue to create these informational style videos for you. Now that we have the shop up and running down here in Florida, you're gonna see a lot of this kind of stuff popping up, and I would love to know that you're loving it as much as I love creating it for you guys. So if you haven't subscribed yet, please do. We're gonna have loads of information like this coming you're not gonna wanna miss. And as always, guys, I will catch you in the next upload.